Welcome to the AT Shack, in operation Lower Jerry's KLX250. I went ahead and shaved some of this foam off of the seat for her, and it got her about 1.5 inches lower to the ground, but it's still not low enough, so we're going one step further. I went ahead and ordered some of these lowering links. These should get the bike down about 2 inches. Let's go ahead and pop them on. If you want to check out the video of how I shaved down some of the foam on this seat, I'll throw a link up on the top right at the end of the video. This is a 2006 KLX250. I'm sure the tools will be similar in that year range for the KLXs. You will need a rubber mallet, 14mm wrench, ratchet, 17mm socket. Let's jump into it. So here are the stock links. The right side of the bike, that's going to be your socket, that's 17mm. And then your wrench is going to go on the other side, on the left here. Those are tight on there. Now I have the bike pretty high off the ground. I just did that to give you guys a better visual, but what you want to do is drop that rear tire just so it's barely touching the ground. That way when you pop these bolts out and the other link drops, this whole swing arm won't fall down on you. Go ahead and grab your rubber mallet and you just knock these out. So we have both of those links out. Here's a side-by-side of the originals and the aftermarket. So I did have to bring the bike down to get these new links on, which is a good sign. Grease up these bolts a little bit. Now you're ready to put the new links in. Those are through. Go ahead and hop on the other side. A little bit of tread lock on this side. Go ahead and pop this link on. Gonna go ahead and put that wrench on the back side and tighten. I cannot find the torque specs for these bolts. Maybe you can find something on the forums or hopefully have a manual. But I just gave them a nice snug tightening. And we're good to go on this side. Double check your chain tension. Make sure that's correct to spec. I did not measure the height, the seat height or anything before dropping the bike, but it definitely dropped down. Look at the kickstand. I can't even get it down. So there's another thing to to figure out in the future, but it is dropped, that's for sure. Well, I hope you guys found the video helpful. If you did, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you next time.